Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fiesta rear bumper. First, gather all the necessary tools for the job. You will need a socket set, a screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you also have your new Ford Fiesta rear bumper ready. Having everything organized beforehand will make the process much smoother and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Now, let's get started on removing the old bumper. Begin by opening your rear hatch and removing any screws or clips found there. Next, move to the wheel arches. You'll find clips and an 8mm screw holding the bumper in place. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, being careful to disconnect any electrical connections for the taillights. With the old bumper removed, it's time to prepare your new one. Carefully inspect the new bumper for any imperfections or damage from shipping. You may need to transfer components like reflectors or brackets from your old bumper to the new one. Also, take this opportunity to clean the mounting surfaces on your Ford Fiesta, ensuring a clean fit for the replacement. Finally, let's install the new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the mounting points on your Ford Fiesta. Reconnect all electrical connectors for the lights before fully securing the bumper. Then, reinstall all the screws and clips you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight and secure. Double-check all connections and fitment for a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.